Hello everyone, I'm Maria from Elektor and I am glad to introduce something really special to you today. This is the Elektor Arduino Electronics Bundle and I may unbox it together with you today, and I'm sure you're as curious as I am. And here it is, the bundle in a very practical box in which everything fits very well. You have a good overview of everything because the box contains more than 150 parts. Also the Elektor Special, Introduction to Electronics with Arduino, with 22 Arduino hands-on projects for home construction. You will also learn about Arduino Hardware and Programming, creating circuit diagrams, electromagnetism, capacitors, resistors, and much more. But now let's unbox this kit and take a closer look at the contents. Here is an overview of all the parts that are in the Arduino starter kit. I have already unpacked them, and among other things, you will find the Uno R3 board, experimental plug-in board, crocodile clips, cables, LEDs, transistors, diodes, resistor assortment, ICEs, 7-segment LED, DC motor and motor drivers, sensors, LCD display module, digital multimeter, a USB cable, and a light bulb. And this is only one part I mentioned because the kit contains much more. In the article description in the box, the parts are described in more detail. In addition, 22 exciting projects are presented that you can easily implement. For example, Arduino Programming, the electrical circuit, measuring with the multimeter, creating circuit diagrams, and online circuit simulation. You do not need much or expensive equipment for the examples. The circuits are built on a small breadboard and, if necessary, connected to an Arduino Uno, which you can program on a Windows PC. You will find clear examples of how to build all circuits. The Elektor Special also includes an A3 pull-out poster with Arduino Uno pin diagram. You will find everything you need in this kit. Do you already know what you would do with this kit? Let us know in the comments below. The link in the description of our video will take you to our store page, and there you will get more information about this kit. We wish you a lot of fun with the implementation of your new projects, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.